stop scrolling for a moment. Because there are penny stocks right now quietly positioning themselves for potential moves while most investors are busy watching the same large cap names everyone talks about. And if you've spent any time in the market, you already know the reality when it comes to low-priced stocks. The biggest percentage gains often happen before the crowd notices them. By the time a stock becomes the headline on every trading forum or social media feed, the early opportunity has usually already passed. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to look at 6 penny stocks trading under $4 that are showing interesting setups across several industries, including satellite technology, gold mining, critical materials, gaming platforms, retail brands, and even the online dating industry. As always, we're going to do things a little differently. I'll explain the company's sector, price behavior, and possible movement first, and only after that will I reveal the stock name and ticker. So make sure you stick around until the end, because each of these companies operates in a completely different market, which means each one has its own potential catalyst. Let's start with the first stock. The first company on the list operates in a fascinating and rapidly growing industry, satellite-based geospatial data. Companies in this space collect high-resolution images of the Earth using satellites, providing valuable data that governments, businesses, and organizations can use for mapping, agriculture, environmental monitoring, and security purposes. The stock is currently trading around $3, placing it right at the edge of the penny stock category. What is interesting here is the company's focus on delivering geospatial data using a more agile and cost-efficient satellite network. In industries like this, cost efficiency can be a huge competitive advantage because it allows companies to deliver services to more customers at a lower price. From a trading perspective, stocks tied to advanced technology sectors often attract attention whenever innovation or government contracts become part of the conversation. If investor interest returns to space-related technologies or satellite data providers, the stock could attempt a move toward the $3.60 to $4 range in the near term. The stock is Satellogic, ticker SATL. Now let's move to the second stock. This company operates in the gold mining sector, specifically managing operations connected to a gold mine located in West Africa. Gold companies often move in correlation with the price of gold itself. Whenever economic uncertainty rises or inflation becomes a concern, investors sometimes shift attention toward precious metals. That movement in commodity prices can then ripple into mining companies, particularly smaller ones that may react more dramatically. The stock is currently trading around $2.62. Which keeps it comfortably within the penny stock range while still giving it room for potential movement. From a price behavior perspective, mining stocks often trade quietly for long periods before experiencing bursts of activity when the gold market heats up. If gold prices remain strong or if investors return to precious metal stocks, this company could attempt to move toward the $3 to $3.30 range. The stock is Galiano Gold, ticker GO. Before we continue with the next company, quick reminder. If you enjoy discovering potential opportunities in the penny stock world, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow and ensures you don't miss upcoming videos where we break down interesting stocks and market developments. Now let's continue with the third stock. The next company on today's list operates in the critical materials and rare earth resources sector. These materials are extremely important because they are used in advanced technologies such as electric vehicles, renewable energy systems, electronics, and powerful magnets. As the world continues shifting toward electrification and high-tech manufacturing, demand for critical materials has been increasing. The stock is trading around $3.22, and companies in this industry often attract attention when discussions about supply chains, domestic resource production, or technological independence become major economic topics. Because rare earth materials are essential for so many modern technologies, companies involved in sourcing or processing these materials can become strategically important. If attention returns to the critical materials sector, this stock could potentially attempt a move toward the $3.70 to $4.10 range. The stock is American Resources Corporation, ticker AREC. Now let's move to the fourth stock. This company operates in the mobile gaming and online competition platform industry. Instead of simply creating games, the company focuses on allowing players to compete in skill-based competitions through its digital platform. Gaming has become one of the largest entertainment industries in the world, and mobile gaming in particular continues to grow as smartphones become more powerful and accessible. The stock is currently trading around $3.41, and technology-driven entertainment companies often experience bursts of investor interest when new partnerships, tournaments, or platform expansions occur. From a trading standpoint, companies connected to gaming platforms can sometimes move quickly because they attract both tech investors and retail traders who are familiar with the product. If user growth or platform engagement improves, the stock could attempt a move toward the $3.80 to $4.20 range. The stock is Skills, ticker SKLZ. Now let's talk about the fifth company. This one operates in the consumer retail and fashion accessories industry. Unlike many of the technology or biotech companies we've discussed so far, this company focuses on lifestyle products including bags, backpacks, and travel accessories. Consumer brands can be interesting from a market perspective because strong brand identity sometimes leads to consistent customer demand even during changing economic conditions. The stock is currently trading around $3.44, and retail companies sometimes experience stronger investor interest when new product lines, seasonal shopping trends, or brand collaborations appear. From a chart perspective, stocks in the retail sector often move in cycles depending on consumer sentiment and spending behavior. If the company gains renewed attention from investors or if consumer demand strengthens, the stock could attempt a move toward the $3.80 to $4.20 range. The stock is Vera Bradley, ticker VRA. Now let's look at the sixth and final stock on today's list. This company operates in a sector that has completely transformed modern relationships, online dating and social networking platforms. Digital platforms that help people meet, connect, and build relationships have grown into a massive global industry. The company behind this stock introduced a concept where women make the first move when starting conversations, which helped differentiate the platform from competitors. The stock is currently trading around $3.82, placing it near the upper end of the penny stock range we're discussing today. Technology-driven social platforms often attract investor interest when user growth increases or when new features expand the ecosystem. From a price perspective, stocks in this sector can experience volatility when investor sentiment toward tech platforms changes. If growth expectations improve or market attention returns to digital platforms, the stock could attempt to move toward the $4.20 to $4.60 range. The stock is Bumble, ticker BM. So there you have it, 6 penny stocks trading under $4 across several industries including satellite technology, gold mining, critical materials, gaming platforms, consumer retail, and online social platforms. Each of these companies operates in a completely different part of the economy, meaning different catalysts could influence their potential movements. Of course, penny stocks are known for their volatility, so it's always important to do your own research before making any investment decisions. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these 6 stocks do you think has the strongest upside potential? Is it the satellite technology company, the gold miner, the rare earth materials provider, the gaming platform, the retail brand, or the dating app company? Let me know your answer in the comments. And if you want updates or information about any stock you're watching, the WhatsApp channel link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.